If you've ever thought about doing a kidney detox, here are the 3 best foods to cleanse your kidneys. Okay, number 1 on my list is watermelon. Now we know that watermelon has a high water content, so that's fantastic to help to flush out the kidneys for that kidney cleanse or detox. But watermelon also contains a very special ingredient. It's called citrulline, which also helps to prevent kidney stones. And this is a common factor when people suffer with kidney disease, of course, very commonly with kidney stones. Okay, number 2 on my list, another great food for that kidney cleanse is parsley. Now, parsley is a natural diuretic, which is a water pill. So it naturally works to help to flush out that extra water that your body may be holding on to, flushing it out through the kidneys. And food number 3, another of my favorites to help to cleanse and detox your kidneys, is seaweed. Now, do you like seaweed? Let me know in the comments. But in this research, it's really interesting. This is a 2014 animal trial done on rats, and they were fed edible seaweed for a period of 22 days. And what they found was they had a reduction in both kidney and liver damage from diabetes. So we know that diabetics are certainly at risk for kidney disease. I love seaweed as a food, so having those seaweed snacks, absolutely delicious, but at the same time, give us some very essential minerals like iodine. Now, iodine we know is a halogen, and with kidney disease, there is a risk. If you are exposed to other halogens like fluoride, maybe in your dental products that you're using, or visits to the dentist in which you've had fluoride treatments, or even in your medications could have fluoride, or another halogen, which is chlorine, which of course, if you swim in a chlorinated pool, if you drink chlorinated water, then these halogens are a little bit more dangerous and can be dangerous for your kidney health. The great thing about the seaweed and the natural iodine, also a halogen, is that it will help to displace some of the chlorine and the fluoride, being more healthy for your kidney health. So a great way to detox and cleanse your kidneys. Now, for more tips on detoxification, I want you to check out my other video, 7 Tips for Detox. I'll see you there.